Data Studio gives you complete control over your Business Central data, without complex development or time-consuming manual work. With easy configuration, you can instantly select a table, choose the fields you need, apply filters, and start working with your data in seconds. View, edit, add, or delete records directly from a dynamic interface. Need to update multiple records? Use bulk mapping and find and replace to make changes across your data with just a few clicks. And every change is automatically logged, providing a full audit trail for transparency and compliance. Need to move data in or out of your Business Central? Configuration templates make it easy. Set up imports and exports. Connect through SFTP. Automate processes with job queues. And you can receive email notifications if anything requires attention. Whether you're managing master data, integrating external systems, or maintaining data quality, Data Studio helps you work faster. Data Studio is the all-in-one data management solution for Business Central, enabling fast data editing, automated integrations, and complete audit tracking. Try the app now for free for 30 days.